If you're considering ending a long-distance relationship, it can be challenging to navigate the process when you and your partner are far apart. While in-person breakups are preferred, they may not always be possible. In order to make the breakup as painless as possible for both parties, it is important to choose a personal form of communication, such as a phone call or video chat, to express your feelings and provide closure. Avoid using text messages or online messaging, as they lack the personal touch and may prevent your partner from obtaining the closure they need. Inform your partner that you need to talk. Set a specific time and medium for the conversation, and initiate the conversation by expressing your feelings honestly and kindly. It is essential to be firm in your decision and avoid prolonging the breakup or engaging in arguments. Allow your partner to share their perspective and be patient, providing them with closure before ending the conversation. Return any belongings your partner may have left with you, promptly and in a thoughtful manner. If possible, consider breaking up in person to show respect for the effort and time invested in the relationship. However, if this is not feasible, take advantage of an upcoming visit to your partner's location or plan a visit as soon as possible. Avoid delaying the breakup, as it will only prolong the process.